Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the size in your Canva document or presentation. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner is going to be the sign in button that you can use for logging in, or if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page where we can see all the options we can access. Here we can see all our projects and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to change the size of our document. First, you want to go ahead and open up the project or the document you want to change the size for. I do not already have one, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new one by clicking the create a design button right here in the upper right corner and then selecting what I want to create. So I'm going to go ahead and select doc. So after clicking document guys, this is now going to go ahead and open up our document right here where we can get started with editing it. So what we need to do first guys is to go ahead and find the position option button right here at the top of the screen. As you can see, for the document that we have selected, there is no position style, so we cannot go ahead and change it. But for some of the different documents like presentations, or right here if you're creating a resume guys, this is how your resume is going to look. Right here you will have the position button, so you're going to go ahead and click on position, and after clicking position, in the new menu that appears, you want to click arrange, and under arrange guys, now we can get started with managing our ratio. So here we have the width, height, and so on, and how big we want to make it. And here you can get started with managing your info and resizing your document. So you just go ahead and have to find the document that can be resized. But yeah guys, basically that's how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.